Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. I am sorry for the late video. I originally had a different video planned that I was going to put out when I normally post videos, which is usually like Thursday or Friday, but my schedule has been a little messed up lately, so my videos have been uploaded randomly. I apologize, so I am sorry for the later video, but the video that I did want to post, I will post probably next week or something, because I went to the Dollar Tree today and I have a little dollar store haul to show you guys. I know, again, I just posted one. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to show this stuff because there is a good amount of Halloween stuff there, and I am buying up some fall and Halloween stuff for projects, of course. Now there were a couple things like on my list that they didn't have at the Dollar Tree I went to. I don't know if maybe they just didn't get them yet, or if it's just that Dollar Tree either sold out already or just random stuff. So there is definitely a couple things that I wasn't able to get that, you know, kind of stinks a little bit, but that's all right. I'm sure I'll be back. So, okay, let's get this haul started. So, first, like what I usually do is I first start with the not the most exciting things first. So, the first things I'm going to show are these little finger protectors. I think they're just little like silicone like things you put on your fingers, so when you're working with hot glue or something, you don't burn your fingers. So I was really happy to find these and definitely try these out. Another sort of crafting tool kind of thing are these clamps that I found. So I'm really looking forward to trying these out to definitely help hold stuff together while it's drying or something like that. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying these out as well. The next two things, I got picture frames. They didn't have black ones like I usually like to just get. I usually get the black ones, but I, realized that I can literally just paint these black. So I'll get the white ones and it'll be fine. So I got some picture frames. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you guys is I got these little like harvest, it says harvest decor, but I don't know exactly what they are, but these, I got two pumpkins. And then these look like acorns, and I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with them, but I bought them because I thought they looked pretty cool. So I definitely wanted them for maybe like some sort of fall little project. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. The next thing I'm going to show you goes along with like the fall kind of theme. I bought like a bunch of pumpkins. These, I believe they're like a plastic kind of pumpkin. I got two of these, like, whoa, I'm throwing them everywhere. I got two of these, like, different, pumpkin shapes, and then I got three, like, standard pumpkin shapes. So I have a project that I want to hopefully do with them as well. And then we move into the Halloween part. So the first thing I got were these hands. I wasn't sure if I had any hands. These are said to glow in the dark, and these are just regular like skeleton hands, but I kind of like them. They're like creepy and stuff. So I got some skeleton hands because part of me thinks I have some, but then the other part of me is like, but do you have enough? So I got some skeleton hands. The next thing I got were these flowers. Whoa, I got like 3 bouquets of flowers. These are just purple and they have some bats in them, if you can maybe hopefully kind of see. Or there, like that. And then these have some spiders and the eyeballs in the center of the flower. So I have a project that I want to do with these. Everything pretty much has a potential plan, except for like these. The second to last thing I'm going to show you guys is I bought these little skeletons. I always buy these skeletons. I think I literally told you that in my last haul. I always buy these skeletons, like every time. Always buy them because you never know. These are just perfect little skeletons for little projects. I don't know. I'm a big fan of them. So I bought more little skeletons. Pretty much the last thing is, it's a couple things, but it all counts as the same, is I bought a good amount of these like wooden pictures. Like this one says trick or treat. This one says wicked with a little hat, the witch hat and the witch broom. This one is a little kitty cat with a pumpkin. This one is like a sugar skull. And this one is just your typical pumpkin. So I bought those also to hopefully do a project with at some point. So that is pretty much it. That is my little haul. My little haul, but I feel like I kind of went a little ham, but that is okay because, again, I want to stock up on stuff for upcoming projects. So that is pretty much it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Again, sorry for the late video, but hey, better late than never. So thank you so much for watching again. Please, if you would like to, like and subscribe, and continue to take care of yourselves. Drink water, eat food, get good sleep, do stuff you enjoy. Just take care of yourselves. So, okay, I will see you all later. Bye!